Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be seeing another instant dosa recipe and its side dish. Here we'll be seeing takka polo and kottambari pallaya gojju, which is curd dosa and coriander leaf chutney in Konkani. This is a must-try recipe in summer as curd helps in digestion and also keeps your system cool. So let's see how to make this. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make the takka polo, we need 2 cups of raw rice, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 cup curd, 1 cup coconut grating, 2 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon jeera. Firstly, in a bowl, add the idli rice or raw rice and wash and soak them for about 2 hours. In a mixer, grind the raw rice, curd, grated coconut and chopped green chilies until you get a fine batter. Once the batter is ready, pour it to a bowl and add the jeera, salt and pepper powder and mix well. Now your batter is ready. Since this is an instant dosa, there is no fermentation required. Preheat the non-stick pan and spread a ladle full of batter. Once the dosa is half done, add half a teaspoon of oil. Cook the other side of the dosa by flipping it. Your crispy takka polo is ready. Now let's see how to make the coriander chutney. To make the gojju, we need half a cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of roughly chopped coriander leaves, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon crushed jaggery, 1 teaspoon tamarind paste, jeera, mustard seed and curry leaf for tempering. In a mixer, add the grated coconut, coriander leaves, jaggery, tamarind paste and green chili and grind it until you get a fine paste. Add salt and mix well. Prepare the tempering and add it to the gojju. Now your kottambari pallaya gojju is ready. Friends, do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.